This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by using only official, permitted options. Private matches and the firing range are your first moves. Once done, tweak sensitivity and dead zone so inputs feel precise, and make small, repeatable changes to measure progress. Make sure to enable aim assist settings if you use a controller, because that affects how you train. Practice core routines, movement, sight lines, recoil control, every session. This builds consistent habits without risking bans or account penalties. Next, structure a repeatable routine that targets weaknesses and measures gains. You will warm up, do focused aim drills, then practice movement and positioning in short rounds. Consistency matters more than duration. Once done, record gameplay clips and review them to isolate errors, spacing, peak timing, or recoil management. Use aim trainers and custom target maps for quantifiable improvement. They provide metrics so you know what to adjust week to week, not just vague impressions. Finally, transition into public matches gradually. Start in casual lobbies, then raise the challenge as your comfort grows. You should pick loadouts and positions that suit practiced mechanics, because predictable choices reduce cognitive load under pressure. Once done, keep analyzing your gameplay, set small weekly goals and track them. If you hit a plateau or technical issues occur, try resetting controller profiles, verifying game files, or seek a coach. This troubleshooting approach resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.